As I'm going to the workout, I think I should eat something.
Are you confused about the time gap between your meal and your workout? Most of the people used to say that 3 to 4 hours of gap between your workout and your meal will be enough. But it's not like that. It depends on the quantity of the food item you're having and the type of the food item that you're having. For example, if you're having heavy lunch which has rice, chicken and veggies, then you need a gap of 2 to 3 hours before you start your workout. In the other hand, if you are having a light snack in the form of a piece of bread or a banana, then 25 to 30 minutes of gap before you start your workout will be good to go. The time gap also depends on the intensity of the workout that you're doing. So if you're doing a weight training or going for a running after having a medium size of meal, then a gap of 2 to 3 hours is required. On the other hand, if you're going just for a casual walk, then 20 to 30 minutes of gap will be enough.